Hello, my friends. Hello. How are you? Okay, welcome to the live stream. Right now, I will scan through the charts because just now I was trying to figure out. TikTok give me something though, but then when I try to search around, but then I don't see it anywhere. Yup is it's okay. I also don't know where is it. Hello, my friends. Nice to see you guys again. So I will scan through my charts, huh? I think, okay, can I come on time? Let's see, today what do we get? Oh, Hazel, I saw your bio. Jump down the roof already. Nice trade. Hello, Rick, nice to see you again. Super early. Oh, you're so punctual. Nice, Hazel, very nice. Jump down the roof, huh? Amazing trade lah. Hello, random. Are you all looking at anything today? Wow, the bio, good. Okay, random. If you buy bio, congratulations. Yes, the three musketeers always come very on time. Five X leverage, nice. Congratulations, my friends. Yes, I also think that the bio look good though, random. Rick, I also think so. I also think Hazel is someone that will beat people up. Maybe you can, go and research about her. Do you know her name? If you know her name, right, you can go and maybe go LinkedIn or something. Maybe you can find her. Oh, random, what you're writing? I don't even know how to read. You are, the two of you, damn funny. Really damn funny. I don't be elderly on park. What can we do today, my friend? Market like so high though. I want to enter something also quite difficult. Hiya. Lucky I out liao. Oh, you got out of bio? Really? That's fast. Oh, CMCSA. Okay. CMCSA. Why? Is it very bad? Okay lah, like at resistance, right? So if you draw this, something like at resistance already. So possible, maybe more downside. Hazel, you want to shot or not? I think you be careful a little bit, huh? The shot try to wait for some confirmation. Time to shot EL. Let's see, EL. Not bad, not bad. Possible. Something maybe we can try to shot. Not bad. This Hazel, I like to shot a lot of things. But just be careful, huh? You can see, right? We are at the green color line. So we are at support. Just be a little bit more careful, okay? Maybe something we can keep a lookout today. Hazel, your whole portfolio is full of short positions, is it? Ah, okay, okay, can. I see that you like to short the market a lot though. Really a lot. 20% short. Ho ho. Really? Every single time when you type something, it's all shorts. Short this, short that. Okay. So far, still no alarm triggered. Alright. What can we trade today, guys? And smaller size, so still okay. Ah, why Is there any difference why you do that? Why your long position you put soft stop loss and then short positions you put hard stop loss? But sometimes some instruments is nice though. You short it like your bio before you jump down the roof today. Hazel, I think you said today there's earnings for AAL, right? Are you going to do anything? Or you already are already in position? I remember I think you are already in position, right? Oh yes, yes. Okay, okay. Good luck, good luck. Hopefully the thing fire off. Then you will be making a lot of money. Nice, nice. Okay, let's see AL again. God bless you. Earnings, this thing fire off. Oh, it's tomorrow. Is it tomorrow? Oh no, today is Tuesday. Okay, okay, okay. So 2 more days to go. Okay. Good luck, good luck. What can we trade today, my friends? My god. I scan up and down, up and down. Like nothing though. Yes, Intel. Also on Thursday, if I'm not wrong. Then after the earnings, I will see how it goes, okay? If Intel tank down, my god, I'm gonna get out of everything now. I don't want to hold it anymore. Enough. It moved a bit too slow for my liking. CCI is tomorrow, Aiyo, CCI tomorrow, Okay, Rick, I will update CCI in a short while. Thanks for the reminder, okay? If not, everyone will, will write a bomb together. Maybe I'll exit some for CCI. Then after we can leave a little bit, if you want to just leave a little bit for speculation. But then be extremely careful for that. I'll give you my exit more for Intel tomorrow. Okay, can. For me, I will just hold it. Then I will see what it does later on after the earnings. If earnings is so bad that it dump all the way down, I think likely I will just take a slight loss, then I move on now. For your Hazel, your bio is amazing. Fly all the way down. Nice, man. Happy or not? You should have 5x leverage, you know? Rick, okay lor, he never speculate anything and very careful with his words. Okay. Powell, right? Yeah, Powell is always very careful lah. I think the market should be maybe good again. Do you usually hold through earnings? If I have a lot of profit, I will hold a little bit, just a little bit, a very, very small position. If not, I will just exit everything. Okay? Yeah, right now they all try to fire Powell. Say that he misused some money or something like that. You know? Say he's going to build don't know what thing into some fancy place or what. Over budget liao. No. Tomorrow. If I'm not wrong, tomorrow. Tomorrow is Google and Tesla. Oh, guys, I really got nothing. My God, can go sleep now. Good night, non. Okay, I see you guys tomorrow. My God, really no trade. How you need to exit now. Okay. I think Google makes sense. It went up quite a lot already. So, maybe Hazel, you're up for the risk or not? If you're up for the risk, just leave a little bit. Okay. Just leave a little bit. See whether you can suddenly get up. You see this part also the same thing. Look at this, Hazel. I give you some motivation. Okay. You see Google went up quite a lot. Then after earnings, go up even more. So maybe something similar like us. You exit 50%. Still more than me. Usually I exit like 70%, 80%, that type low. Just leave a very, very small amount. Don't know who to trust. Okay lah, hi guys. This is fun, you know. Rick, you enjoy or not? No, everyone give like false signals. They know lah. This one not financial advice. Yes, take at your own risk, guys. Hey, market open now. Market open now, guys. Market open now. Yes, disclaimer must put there, okay? Take at your own risk, huh? Apple not done. I think maybe more downside, okay? Just prepare that maybe it can come here before it starts to go up. Okay, let's see how's... If everything... I think maybe, really, I think we need to short the market quite soon already. A lot of things are not performing so well though. I think likely really we need to start to look into short sale. Let me log in my account. I talk until I forget to log in. One moment. My god, why I cannot log in? Oi, why like that? I think maybe I too cold now. I need some water, cannot scan. Okay, done. MBIS I think possible more downsides though. Yeah, quite possible. Just be a little bit more careful for MBIS. Yeah, I'm not too sure whether it will dump all the way down or not. Just be careful for this part. I will need more data before I can, give you a confirmation. Okay, guys, let's go back. We go back and then let's see whether we can take any shots today or not. Oh, Intel going up. Amazing. Okay, how is SPY first? SPY up and down after market open. Nothing much over here. But then we'll need to monitor for a little bit. Just now I saw one instrument that looks quite nice to shot though. What was it? I forget liao. Do you all remember? Okay, CRM looks good. It's going quite fast. Or is it EL? EL. Okay. I think we monitor for a little bit, then we see whether we can find any shots or not. I will set the alarm for EL as well. So I'll monitor for a little bit first. Okay, how's our holding so far? Let's see. We also have to make a decision for CCL since tomorrow we are going to have earnings. Let's see, CCL. But it looks really quite good though. But this distance that you move, yeah, we only move for about 4 to 5% away. So I think later on I will try to close about 70%. Then I'll leave 30% to speculate for earnings. We have quite a lot of buffer, so it's still not bad. We got about 5%. Okay, maybe I can update the group as well. One moment. CCI is tomorrow, huh? Oh, okay, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow, not... Eh? Wednesday after market close. Okay, can. Okay, done. So you guys, are you going to, exit everything for CCL or you are going to hold? What's your plan? Really, are you? Really? Add more. Okay, can. I give you all my support, okay? 加油. I know you can do it. Okay, now about 10 minutes after market open, I think we can let it go a little bit more first. Then after that, we can choose to exit some positions for CCI. Add more. Rick, are you inside CCI? Oh, Google coming down. Okay, you're also inside. Nice, nice, nice. So are you going to exit or are you going to hold? What I can say is that you just stand by, stand by roughly about this area, So right now we are on the 4 hours time frame. You just stand by, it can spike roughly about 10% in either direction. So this one, right, if 10%, 10% it will go to roughly about, I think, 118 area. And then if 10% down, it will be roughly about 96, yeah, $96 around there. You sell a portion and hold. Okay, okay, can. Yeah, I also will sell a portion and after that I will hold. Not bad, not bad. We got quite a little bit of buffer. Okay, at least minimally we are about 5%, 6% away already. Oh, Nvidia coming down. Yes, the R is also decent. Yeah, but then if I want you guys first, if earnings is really so bad that kind, right, it goes against us, likely all your profit will go and give back to taking that loss already. So this is something that you need to prepare. Yes, normally it will get through your stop loss. Normally you won't get filled. So far I have tried a lot of times. I never see it being filled before. Today market like a bit mixed. Some very, very strong, especially the semiconductors, they are very weak though. But then the rest, I think still fine. Semiconductors has been quite weak, I think for 2 days already. No leh. I think even if you put a stop limit or something, right, you still won't get filled if I'm not wrong. So far, I have not been filled before. I try speculate a few times, but then it will always get through my stop loss. Okay, for open, definitely more down for me. I think more downside. I don't know where it will go, but then not the type of trade that I will take. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think maybe possible after this spike might be done and over already. So just be careful on that part. Unless I see confirmation, maybe I can take this trade. But for now, maybe if you want to, you can try to look for shots. Okay, SPY is not bad. QQ is coming down. We exit all our Nvidia and AMD at such a nice price. Suddenly it starts to pull back. Nice, nice, nice. Nice lah. Come on, drop even more. I need the whole market to drop. Oh, you never hold through earnings before. Okay, just be prepared. For me, myself, I speculate quite a lot of times already and never once it triggers my stop loss before. Because the earnings, right, the movement is erratic, that kind, like within maybe 1 second, suddenly you see Google, right? Google, maybe the price is here. 1 second later, it's like, tung, suddenly like this type of move, If you have time, about 4 a.m. to 4:30, that range, right, you can monitor how it moves. So normally you won't get triggered. Suddenly the candle is like here, and then the next second, you see one big red one. If not, it will be, the other direction also. Hello, Raymond. Welcome back. Welcome. BBAI. BBAI. I still think more downside. Same thing. More downside. Yeah, I also don't have a setup for BBAI. I have to give it more time before, I will decide whether I want to buy or sell. Okay, Raymond, tomorrow CCI got earnings, so you can decide whether you want to book 70% like me and then let it run, or you want to just exit everything. The RR is still good. Yes, you boot BE, right? You just be careful, you go and measure 10% in either direction from your chart, and then you see whether you okay to take that reason. Because normally during earnings, your stop loss won't get triggered. It will just, plunge through everything. Yeah, I speculate a few times already, and then, yeah, sometimes it just plunge through the moment the next day you saw your position, you will be shocked that kind. Yeah, I think you TP 70% better. Try not to speculate. I know the way structures all that, it looks fantastic. Usually it's the best one that we normally try to take. But then because of, earnings, everything is unpredictable. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think, Rick, just now you asked about MasterCard, right? Let me see. Yes, still possible. It's still possible. But right now, I will definitely wait if you want to look for more downside. I think Visa, how about Visa? Visa is also going up. So I will wait for a little bit more. I will not be aggressive for now because you can see, right, SPY almost touched 632, and then right now it looks like it's going to pull back already. That's why I'm trying to look for shorts instead of long. Yeah, if we get very nice opportunity, right, we will definitely go for shorts lah. Okay. Yeah, SPY, more or less, it already reached our level. So right now, we just need to wait, okay? Only wait for a nice setup. Possibly, we can short it, we can take very, very nice shots. Like amazing, that kind of one. Yeah, that is why, you need a margin account. Don't just use a cash account. Cash account right now, you see market is tanking, then you have to sit out already. Then if market tank very badly, that kind, the first thing you think, when it starts to U-turn again. But then when you use a margin account, you don't have to worry about all this. When market goes down, you just short. When market go up, you just go long. Yeah, if what happened to the market? How come, it's starting to jump down the roof quite fast? Poel never say anything crazy, right? Yep, I don't see anything crazy here. But more or less, it's due for pullback already. Let's go, CCI. GIF is very, very happy. Okay, I think, let me see. Heng, you exit Google, huh? Nice. Nice, but then you got earnings, right? So earnings tomorrow after market close. If you leave a little bit, maybe can try. If you have very, very good profit, you can leave a little bit. But if you don't have, right, try to just exit everything. Okay, good. Yeah, this earnings, not too sure whether, you'll plunge everything down or not. Yeah, the way it is moving, I think, guys, yesterday our, that Microsoft day trade, maybe I want to, cut the loss by half already. ETH tanking, meh? Just now I think I take a look though. For some correction, yes. Okay, I think you might see some correction, but then I don't think it will tank very badly that type. But then if you are afraid of something, you can try to shift your stop loss a bit higher. Normally, this is what I do lah. But I don't see it coming down. Okay, you just prepare. Possibly, I think the lowest it can comes to maybe 3,000, 3350 around there. Okay, Braveheart, I will definitely need to wait for more data first. Right now, I can't tell where it will stop, but give it a little bit of time. Then I can give you, a better answer. But right now, I just know that the overall market likely will pull back. Pull back, if not, we are going to have a huge dump already. Fantastic, guys. Alert wave. Fantastic. Came very, very close to 632. Really so close that kind. It's like how much this is the highest it went to? Highest is about 631.54, so less than 50 cents. And then more or less you can tell the market is going to pull back. Okay. JK, I think you can do that, huh? You can do that also. Okay, Nvidia also pulling back quite hard, guys. How's the rest of our position? Okay, if it's pulling back that hard, maybe I want to shift some of the stop loss even higher by a little bit. Seems like the mega tech, they are moving more. Okay, DDOG, we are out already. We TP'd the position, so I will update the group. Okay, I think we can start to manage for CCI. Okay, CCI, I think right now Yeah, I will close 70% for CCI. And then we can leave lah. The other remaining, we try to see how it does for earnings. Okay, done for CCI. Hello, Aquarium. Nice to see you. Hey, where's the comment? Okay, nice to see you. Nope, don't open. I think more downside. Okay, just be careful. It's really I think more downside. Yeah, because see, just now I was talking about it because I think someone asked. I told him, if you want, can go for shots. Yeah, you just went in yesterday. Wow, this type of stock is something that is scary lah. To me, it's scary. I don't know whether you can see or not. If you just look left, you see, you got this type of like spike, and then after it starts to tank like that. Keeps going down like that for a very, very, very long time. Yeah, so normally stocks like that I just leave out lah. So I don't know whether this area it will do the same thing or not. So for now I got no confirmation. I only know today if you want to do something for open, just now was a very good opportunity to short. Yes. Yes, Benedict, I also told my group we have already, because SPY has already hit 632, then after that we are preparing to short the market. Why? What happened to Apple? Apple, we tried to, I think Apple maybe will chop here a little bit, then after that we might see more downside, I think. Real Alpha Tech. Suddenly I see PL fly. PL. What is PL? Fuyoyo. This wave structure nice or not, Rick? Oh, you suddenly see your P and L fly. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Real alpha. What? Real something. Real what? AIRE. Yeah, guys, this type of stock I can't help you lah. Normally I don't chase all the hypes. The things that I do are very, very stable. So for me, this one I still think more downside. I think likely you see this starting to do this, and then it will chop here for a very, very long time, maybe 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, before you start to get one huge spike, and then after that that's it again, then the whole process will keep repeating. So this stock try to be a bit more careful, okay? You earn $100. Okay, good. Yeah, I have no idea how to, trade stocks like that. The one that I trade are very stable, I guess. Okay, guys, I also closed my Meta, the put option already. I close it off because I look at the market condition. I don't want to get assigned. Maybe I go and sell another put option another time. It's all about the 6 cents. Okay, when you come to me, right? No 6 cents. No 6 cents. Everything is objective data. No 6 cents. My God, everything is coming down quite aggressive. Let's see. Let's see. I think after today, we don't have much positions already. Yeah, FTNT, we are going to get out already soon. It's okay, just get out first. We get out, we reposition another time. PANW, let's see. Yeah, PANW likely will take us out. Oh, already took us out for break even now. Let me see, huh? Yeah, it's okay, guys. Just take the break even. Break even is better than, taking a loss. Okay, beautiful. This one we got break even. 0.5. I thought stocks like this just look at 1 to 5 minutes. Aquarium, I don't know. Like if you know how to trade that type of stock, you can go ahead. For me, I'm always looking at those, those well-known companies because I go by risk reward. So whether they move, they give me like all this huge spike or something. Yeah, for me doesn't make much of a difference. Yes, those blue chip. Yes, correct. Yeah, I don't do penny stocks. Yeah, I cannot risk so much on penny stocks. If I risk, I will die so badly though. My whole fortune inside out. Very what? I can't read the Chinese character. I'm so sorry, huh? FTNT, we are going to, lucky we shift all our stop loss. Almost there already. CG. 刺激, oh, very 刺激, yeah, I know, it's very exciting, very 刺激, but then, yeah, you can, you can try like if you know how to do that. For me, if I want to play that normally, right, I will use a cash account. Definitely not my trading account. I don't, because for my style, right, I get in and out quite fast from a few days to about few weeks. Then, uh, normally like pullbacks like that, I'm already out. Then I don't want to get stuck inside a trade for, weeks, for months. For me, anything more than 7 days is considered very long already. Swing trades you cannot. Okay. My style is more of swing trading. Swing trading. But I don't, whenever a position doesn't move like 7 days or something, I'm out already. I don't like to wait. That's why, I learn how to read corrections. So make sure that I read it so well that I can time it, when exactly it will start moving, then that's when I will get it. Regardless the loss, no, I have a stop loss. For swing trading, I always have a stop loss. I don't open up my stop loss. I will respect them. So in the event, if I have to take the loss, I will definitely take. So maybe one example is Microsoft. Microsoft, yesterday I tried to do a day trade, but then it's not doing very well. So possibly, right, today I might get stop out. So I will not remove my stop loss. I'll just take the loss, then I will just move on. Rick, where you go? What's my position always? What do you mean by that? You mean like I risk how many percent for one position? Oh, okay. I risk about 1% to like 0.5% for each position. Yeah, if day trading, I risk about 0.5%, swing trade, I do 1%, and then position trade, I also do 1%. You sold your Apple too choppy. Yes, Rick, you know where to find the entry for Apple already, okay? Just wait for the C wave to be completed, then more or less, I think we can try to enter around there. Hazel, relax, okay? I also looking for something to do, but then today like don't have much opportunity for me though. Yes, I also feel like shorting something, but nothing. They don't move off already. But then no risk. Right now is still early. If I do see the market enter a huge correction or something, definitely we all go for shorts. Yeah, I was trying to pick the top to short Amazon. So nice, man. Really so nice. How does short works? It's the same thing as you go in long a position. It's exactly the same thing. Just that when you short a position, you need to pay some extra fees. The fees is a little bit higher, but then it's worth it. I will always short the market because can't possibly you go and restrict yourself, right? If you have the opportunity to go for shorts and then go for longs, well, I don't see the reason for you to restrict yourself. You see, market can go down, can go up. Then if you can only long using a cash account, then when it starts to down, what do? You sit out, meh? Cannot be right. These are all wasted opportunity though. Yes, you need margin account before you can short. If you don't have a margin account, you cannot borrow shares. Yeah, for me, both long and shorts, these are all opportunities. Okay, shorting is actually much more fun than long position. Long usually it takes very slow to climb, but then short, right, normally when the market is condition is so bad, after every day, right, you will see a gap down, you will be so happy. You'll be very, very happy. Normally, shorting, you will see a lot of gap down. So the next day when the market opens, suddenly your P&L spiked by a lot. You all should try. As long as you have a stop loss, shorting is exactly the same as you go and long a position. I think just now someone asked something, is it? Did I miss? Did I miss a comment or what? No, right? Sorry, guys, if I miss your comment, you can type again. Ju, what do you trade to trade? What do you mean by that? Do you type something earlier? Because I don't see any comments that links to your very last comment though. Oh, Felix is the one that asked about APLD. Oh, no wonder this time I thought I saw something and then I couldn't find it. APLD, I still think downside for this stock. Yeah, so be a little bit more careful. Okay. Likely, I think easily can come to here about maybe $7.60 before you want to see you want to buy or not. So I can trade. Ju, I don't really understand what you mean though. YHC. A lot of you likes to trade stocks like that, huh? Is there like any reason? You see, this stock does a lot of reverse stock split though. Initially, it went. I also don't know why the price is 400,000. I only know they did a lot of reverse stock split, and is there a reason why this type of stock is so popular? Is it because when you get this type of huge spike, you suddenly have very high ROI? Is it? Do you all buy like a lot of it, or you buy like maybe a few $100s and then try to see whether you get this type of huge spike or not? For now, I think the spike is, I'm not too sure whether it's over already. I also don't know, this stock can go to where it's like no logic for me. When I look at it, I have no idea what is it doing. Yeah, this one like if I use a cash account, maybe I will try to wait until about $1.20. Maybe I will buy a little bit, then you have to hold. You have to hold maybe, I don't know how long is this, but then it consolidated for about 4 months. 4 months before you get one spike. So maybe $1.20 you can try. Then you hold for about 4 months and see whether you get another spike or not. If you do get this, quickly get out, my friend. Yeah, I don't trade stocks like that though. I like same as GIF. I also prefer something that I can see the setup. I have confidence that when I take the trade, at least I have about 70% is going to move in my favor. Got set up a very fast pace. I don't know how to read. That's why I would rather give it a skip. Yeah, see guys, say 45 minutes into market open, market is dead. It's not moving anymore. Yes, open. This one, all the student, I think one look can tell this one likely will go down even lower. Then KSS, I think this is also over now. Possible the spike is over already. Okay, wait, this stock looks a little bit, okay, KSS is still fine, okay, still fine. This one, yes, is in a downtrend, but I don't know whether this company is strong or not. If it is right, possible you wait for another 1 week or two, might have very, very good setups to buy. Yeah, I think KSS, it looks better than open. At least I understand what is it doing. I just need maybe 1 week or 2 week. You should be able to get a very, very good swing trade. Yeah, yesterday also a lot of people kind of asked me about open. I think if you jump in yesterday, if you are risking something that's within your risk, maybe you are still fine. But then if you overexpose your risk, you'll be a little bit scared, I think. Got one CEO say open shares is at least $40. It's possible, it's possible. But for me, I have no idea how to trade. Yeah, it's like, you go big or go home. I want consistency. My side here is all consistency. We don't mind making 5% to 20% on our account every single month, and then we'll just compound it months after months. Yeah, here don't have those, suddenly 1 month later I become a millionaire. Here don't have. Here is all consistency. Yeah, I blow my account way too many times until I'm scared of this lah. I'm really, really scared of this. Bowie. Okay, you can do that, you can do that. Yeah, for me, I will play safe, okay? Buy NVIDIA or in hold 5 to 10 years. I have long-term positions in NVIDIA, but then normally I don't hold for so long. My max is about 2 years. 2 years, normally I'm out already. First, every few years, there will definitely be a huge pullback. So after, I see that huge pullback, then I start to buy again. Yeah, partly also I follow, Warren Buffett full step. If you go and do some research about him, right, most of his positions doesn't hold more than 2 years. Usually it's about 6 months range, around there. So he also gets in and out when the market tank or something, or give you a big correction. That's when he starts to get in again. So this is also what I do. Okay, Apple, yes, there are some company they hold for very long, but if you look at their overall portfolio, right, about 6 months to 2 years, they get out already. It's only okay, Warren Buffett does have a few only that he holds for more than I think 10 years or something. But the rest, most of them about 6 months to 2 years. TNT. Wait, why like that? Oh, I typed wrongly. Okay. Uh, okay. Yeah, if Spy give me a confirmation, I might want to go for short though. But currently, I still don't see that. I think likely we still need to wait for a few more days. This week might be a little bit boring. We also don't have much position left. We left FT&T, Microsoft, and CCI. That's all. Hmm. Ayo, I forget to see the live stream chat again. One moment, yes, Potato. Thank you. Now you know, right, how fantastic that flip level is. Usually it's that 2 zone, That 2 zone is like the perfect one. I've been using it for quite a while. And you can go and test it out. You test out all the flips, go and flip all the impulses, and then you go and see those levels. The accuracy is very, very, very high. Potato, you on live stream or not? Or today you didn't come. I think I never see your name though. I think you're not here. With your confirmation of a larger correction happening, if SPY breaks the white trend line and stay out of it. Yes, Potato, yes. Are you here? Oh, you're here. Okay, yes. Yes, Potato. If I do see that, right, we will start shorting the market. 100% we short. We go for short. Potato, you have a margin account. If you don't have, go and create one. If you have not tried shorting the market, maybe you'll have a chance very, very soon. And then, if Powell, he really, he resign or something, right, you will start to see a huge gap in the market. Then maybe it will get down for like 2 days, 3 days, that type. Then every single day when you open your account, you will be extremely happy because the P&L just suddenly spiked that kind. Something like bio, because Hazel, right? Yesterday she took bio. So today, if she got out of the position already, I show you this part. I think we can't really see right now, but then bio just now, right? I think yesterday or something, Hazel, I think she entered a few days ago, maybe she entered here. And then today, right, suddenly when it opens, it gap down. I think it gap down quite a lot. Today it gap down where it gap down to somewhere around here. I think so. So sometimes when you short the market, you see a lot of gap down. The gap downs are quite fun. Some around here, then suddenly your P&L is very high that type. We don't know whether Powell will resign or not, but this is the worst case scenario that you can prepare for. Because right now, Donald Trump, whatever he's doing, it scares the investors a little bit lah. It's like there's political instability in the country, so things if they start to escalate, that's when we try to be more careful. Okay, can potato, no worries. What happened last time? Okay. Okay, you started to day trade, then a bit fast paced and emotional. Try to do swing trade. Swing trade, you'll grow your account quite fast. Potato, I can show you this part. If you have not tested this yourself, right, you can go and use the compound interest calculator. It's amazing though, really. You just look at I don't know how big is your account, but then I just give you an example. Just put 10,000 or something. Then after that, every month you just make 5%. After that, you compound for maybe 5 years or something. Okay, then you don't do any deposit at all. Okay, zero deposit. You look at your 10,000 account, you just need to make about 5% 1 month. Okay, 1 year you're up about 80%. Then every single month, your account balance gets larger and larger. That's when you increase your risk every single month. Just based on the 1% risk, then you just increase according to the final principal amount that you have. 5 years later, you got 180 plus thousand already. And then if you put 8 years, I think likely you hit 1 million now. Yep, 8 years you hit 1 million. $10,000 account, 5% a month. Okay, compound yearly roughly about 80%. It's not difficult to achieve. Like this month, I'm up about 11% right now. Also not bad. Then last month, I think I up about 8% or something. Then the previous month about 17 or 18%. So you just compound, slowly compound, you will start to see the huge difference. Every good trader will definitely pay for tuition fee. These are normal, very normal. I already paid so many times already. Okay, can potato. Good. Back testing is always good, Go on demo account first, because I think maybe you start off the wrong path, or you don't have guidance. That's why you are quite lost. But then when you come here, don't worry. You can always talk to me if you want to. I can give you some guidance. Yeah, you can ask me about revenge trading. You can ask me about how I open up my stop loss and everything. I believe most of the time, right? Most of these things I have already been through already. So right now you don't see me doing all the crazy stuff anymore. If when I initially first started, maybe you see me taking a lot of trades like like those penny stocks. I'm looking for that huge up move. After that, I want to book my profit. But now I don't do that anymore. I want consistency. Because you imagine right now, you see, I don't need a lot of years though. I will hit my very first target already. Okay, I just roughly calculate lah. Correct or not? Okay. Monthly. Okay, I think about 3 years or something. I think I hit my target now. Let me see. Yeah, lor, 3 years I hit my target now. I got about 7 million. Just 3 years, I can hit 7 million now if I consistently grow roughly about 5% a month. The moment I hit here, I think life is set already. If you all go and look about, if you all go and look at those wealthy people, they say that the moment you hit your 5 million, you won't go bankrupt anymore. It's very, very difficult for you to go bankrupt. Yes, 1.2 already. Yeah, but I also got my long-term investment account. My long-term investment account is also not bad that type. If that month my account is red, right, the next month I will always start with the principal amount that I have on the first day of the month. So the first day of the month, I will just take down a screenshot and then, I go and calculate 1% and 0.5% is how much. I'll just remember that figure. Then for each trade, right, I will just risk the very, very same amount. Yeah, but of course, if, maybe for the first 10 days, suddenly my account is up like 10% or something, I might, try to readjust. If the first 10 days, I can up about 10%. This is quite rare, that type. Maybe in April, in May, still possible. But right now, market has already went up a little bit too much. So you can't, first 10 days try to hit 10% is difficult. Okay, guys, I use the washroom first. I come back in 2 minutes, all right? See you shortly. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys on live stream, you all got any questions or not? Hi, sir. Hello, Des. Hi, Des. Yeah, I need to scroll back again to see whether I got missed any message. I think no, so far no. Okay, good. If SPY approach your FIB levels, but you still enter longs on individual stocks with valid setup, can I know your thought process on why would you risk 1% as is considered high risk? Which trade I risk 1%? I think recently, most of the trades that I took are all day trades, right? If I'm not wrong, it's day trades, right? I think recently I don't have a lot of swing trades. My swing trades are like CCI and Palantir only. If you go to our group chat, the position tracker, right, you can see all of them are all day trades. So I risk 0.5% only. That's why these few days my account like stuck at that, 11% and 12% growth. It's all day trades. Yeah, like Amazon, Microsoft, PA, NW, CrowdStrike, DDOG are all day trades. Only Palantir, FTNT, and CCI are swing trades and position trades. Okay, although you all know, right, when I enter, you all can tell the stop loss is like a swing trade, am I right? So you thought that it's a swing trade. But then whenever I see that it's risky, right, even for a swing trade, I will post it as a day trade because I want you to lower your risk. I don't want you to overexpose. Sometimes you can tell from the way I take trades, all that, you can see the stop loss, the distance, right, is a swing trade distance, but then why I post it as a day trade, because I think that market condition is quite dangerous. So recently everything is a day trade, which we did pretty fantastic, I guess. You see, like AMD, Nvidia, we book our profit right at the top before it even starts to plunge. Yes, correct, Rick. That's why I say this month I make 6 figures. Yeah, so but then my trading account and long-term investment account, I can tell you I see the money inside for so many years already. I have not ever once felt that I'm rich before. Why? Because I have not withdrawn a single cent at all. Throughout this maybe 8 years or something, I have not touched a single cent. I only deposit in, but never ever once I did, a withdrawal of even $1. Okay, I did do withdrawal. I withdraw, I go and put into another broker. The exact same amount I go and put into another broker. That's all. What's the exact number of your 1% risk? Usually about, right now, this month about 12,000 for 1%. 12,000 for one trade. Then I also started a new 100k account. So that 100k account, right? The 100k account, I will post it publicly maybe every end of the month or something. You all can come and see my result lah. But for my own personal account, I would prefer, to keep it to myself. So I created another account. So right now I'm managing like 3 accounts, and it's a little bit tedious. So right now, whenever I manage my position, I won't be able to, reply you guys so fast because I need to switch account here and there. Yeah, I'm okay lah. Because I'm also running a course, so you also want to see my performance, right? Yeah, so 100k for me, okay lor. I just post it and let you guys see. Yes, Rick, don't worry about the figure. Trust me, don't worry. I also started off, with a very, very small account. Then I just consistently grow 5%, 5%. My target is not like, mission impossible. 5%, you all have seen already. What? I think I already post about 3 months of my record. When maybe this month, around there we are coming to almost at the end of the month already. So possibly I think stuck at about 11-12% range. And then last month about I think 7 or 8% gain, right? Then the previous month 17%. But but I know, okay, previous month is May. Okay, May is about 17. May, right? I think it's in May. I think May about 17%. But I know April is higher. April about 20%. Then March, I think about 5%, something like that. But when you have all this money, you just go diversify into something else. Don't put everything into trading, because trust me, guys, there will be time you'll be burned quite badly on. Like the tariff period, this period, I myself, I also went into negative a little bit. But because my risk is so small that type, right? I don't lose a lot during, this kind of huge dump. Then after, when it came all the way down here, I bought a lot of long-term investments. So right now, even things like NVIDIA, I almost got 100% ROI. Just, a short 3 months only. How much does your cost though? Oh, it's 2688 aquarium. If you are interested in my course, you just drop me maybe a WhatsApp text. I send you one file, and then you go and read about it. My course is, I think, quite different because I checked with a lot of people. I teach you 3 different strategy, and then I will teach you how to combine 3 different strategy to trade. Okay, and I don't upsell you anything at all, and you will have support for at least 1 year in the group. Okay, so I'm live here every single day. You want Q&A, you want one-to-one consultation, just let me know. Then, of course, I got perks, all that. You help me write review. I extend your membership for you. Yes, hey guys, if you want, right, you can use my students' referral code on live stream. So just use either one of them, because I got referral program. The referral program, you just need to refer 3%. You will have lifetime membership in my group. Okay, you can give out your referral links or codes all that on live stream. Then after, whoever use it, right, the moment you hit 3 referral, I'll give you lifetime membership. You'll stay inside my group for lifetime. Then the moment you hit 10, right, I will buy a business class ticket for you to go to. If you want to go Japan, you go Japan. If you want to go Korea, I also send you there. Yes, I can show you because I also want you guys to stay inside the group as long as possible. Yeah, I can show you this. So this is the referral program. So you can see I really give you lifetime membership. The moment you hit 3, lifetime membership. So even if you hit 1 or 2, you already inside the group for about 3 years now. Then you hit 3, you get lifetime membership. And then the rest you get cash. I will try to, modify number 4 to number 9 a little bit. I think it's a little bit boring. I give you cash. But then number 10, I give you, a business class flight to Japan or Korea. So I checked already, SIA ticket is about 6,000. The highest is about 6,000. Okay? So something like that. But of course, if you don't want the ticket, you just tell me, I just transfer you $6,000. How long? I've been running for about 3 weeks, because I spent about 1 month plus to do up the course videos. I do plannings and everything. Actually, I took longer than that. I took very long for planning, and then about 1 month plus to film the videos. Right now I have about, I don't know how many lessons really, but then I'm still not complete. But each individual lesson, right, is about 15 minutes to 30 minutes long. So you will learn a lot on alert wave. Alert wave is the main strategy that I use to trade. Okay, so I have about 69 lessons as of right now. By the time I finish everything, I think likely 80 plus, maybe 80 plus. Yeah, they start not too long ago, about this month. I think start of this month, the first week of this month. Most of the students, they start around there. But you can see improvement in them. It's amazing, that type. When I look at how they show me their charts, I'm shocked though, really. Because I keep, think back when I learned about Elliott Wave, 2 weeks, 2 weeks, I don't even understand how the market move lah. I spent about 1 year, 1 year, 6 months or something. That's when things suddenly become that aha moment, it starts to come. Yeah, Karim, if you want, you just use Hazel, referral code also can. I will remember if you type give me money. Okay, but then don't. Okay, the rest of you right here, be fair, guys. If you want, if there are more people coming in, I will split according to the initial few students who just who joins. So I will split it to you guys. Okay, fair. Yeah, so you all can go and talk on live stream or there, go and share about your experience, what you think about the course. When you all finish the videos, I know some of you here like Hazel haven't finished, you give review. I was so scared. Those that finish, okay, you can go and type a little bit. Or you're almost there already, okay? Maybe you complete like 80% or something. Okay, not bad. Oh yes, by the way, Rick, right, wrote the Rick, he earned back his school fees already. Within, I think, short 1 week or 2 weeks, right, you earn back your school fee. Yes. Because we took a lot of very, very nice trade. Like AMD, our RR is about 1:9. Then NVIDIA maybe about 1:5, something like that. And then today I sent inside the group, I tell everyone, just be careful. Today, just be careful. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I just, at today about 2:26 p.m., I say, hey guys, I think we have to be extremely careful from now on. Possible market has hit the top and will pull back a lot soon. So I just told them like today only. So if you want to see my public account, this is the one. I just started this month, start of this month. So right now I started 100,000. So right now up about 12,000 around there. So about 12%. So this graphic I will post it everywhere lah. But right now, I'm very focused with building the course. I want everyone to benefit. Want to give them really a lot of knowledge that type. So I'm still planning more topics for more knowledge for the course. So I didn't post a lot of things on my social media or that. But after this month or maybe until mid of next month, I will start to post on social media again. Yes, so if you're interested, come and join us. Use their referral code. And when you use their referral code, right, you get a free extension of the Discord by 6 months. So in total, plus help me write review all that, you'll be inside my premium Discord group for at least 2 years. So you will see all the trades I take, Every trades I take, you will see the exact entry, stop loss, take profit, and everything. Then I also have this part where is it? This position tracker. So if you confused already, you don't know what positions I hold, all that, just come to this tracker. This tracker will show you everything. So the moment like let's say for example, CrowdStrike, right? If you want, you just click on this ID. You click, and then it brings you back exactly where I initially opened the trade. So you don't have to search up and down. I think this is the benefit of the tracker. Every single time I pull something out from my second monitor, it starts to lag. Yeah, a bit like copy trading but then you learn, okay? Don't just copy blindly. You go and learn, go and study why I take this trade. Okay, what's the reason behind it? If you don't understand, can straight away just ask. Usually I'm quite active, because daytime most of the time I don't have any things going on, so I can reply you quite fast. Every single time, why I shift to the second monitor, it starts to lag. I don't understand this. Hazel, I also think so. If people give you power, you also quite quiet. CDC voucher. Actually, CDC voucher can withdraw outright. Can withdraw. Am I right? I think there's way to withdraw. Okay, no. I got lobang. If you want, right, I can help you. I got lobang. Can withdraw, but then he will charge a little bit of commission. I'll tell him this one my student, maybe he charge you $10, $20. He will give you cash. Oh, cannot say here. Okay. I got lobang. I remember one of my friend is doing that. Yeah, because I also run my own business, so I know quite a lot of people. And then they got lobang for this and that. If you want, just WhatsApp me. We don't talk over here. Later I get banned for nothing again. Yeah, Hazel, I also think that, give you power, you 100% 怪懒. Okay, guys, super duper, let me, try to put everything down first. I want to do a bit of refresh. Why so laggy suddenly? Come on, don't lag there. Okay, we go back. Let me open up everything. Where's Discord? Okay, nice. Okay, we are back again. Yes, I need to repeat for Hazel. JD is nice. I like it. Okay, you all know what to do, right? JD, possible a good trade. It's really not bad. Let me double confirm. Okay, thank you, Potato. Yeah, I know Hazel is very nice. He just, I'm joking with you. Can tell Hazel is nice. She's a nice lady. Hazel, you really amazing lah. I like you lah, Hazel. All time high liao, confirm good. Can shot. Okay, can. We'll all take a shot, okay? Hazel, later all my viewers run away, I'm going to blame you. How you know he got learn or not? You mean did he study the course? Is it? Because I can see, my side I can see. I can see how much you all complete all that. Because the website, the place that I host my website, right, is like it's like a specialized course hosting platform. Yeah, you don't need to click complete. I think they can track how the lessons that you complete, how many percent, something like that, for each individual video. Then I think they have a threshold or something like that. Maybe you complete about 95%. They will just say that you completed everything. Okay, Potato, both of your position that you talk about looks good. I like it. Then he complete how many percent? Okay, Hazel, this one not nice. This one not nice. You guess it yourself. Okay, I cannot betray him. But okay, I can check on my phone. And no need lah. I just use my second monitor. I go and see. Go and see how's everyone doing. And not bad. Some of them, quite a lot of them, all almost at the end already. Let me see. You all really can chiong. Right? Where can I check? Let me see again. Okay, Hazel, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, Adrian, also not bad. Random, not bad. Potato, also not bad. Rick, good, good, good. Very, very good. I like it. Confirm less than 50%. You ask him better, huh? You ask him better. This one I cannot tell you, huh? This one like PDPA, you know. Okay, Nvidia like coming back up a little bit. Okay, we see how it goes. We see how it goes. Definitely need another day or something. You go buy oil. Okay, can this timing can buy what oil? That's weird. Cooking oil. Huh? 11 now. 11 how you buy oil? Okay lah, okay lah. You go and buy oil first, okay? If not, the shop close here. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Nice. Yeah, I think my side have or not. No, my side I think don't have. 24/7 supermarket. I think random he's working. Sometimes I think when he go home he needs to work. That's why he's not replying. If not, he went party, you know. From oh yes, I forgot to shift the stop loss for CCI. We can try something not too tight. Maybe about 105.6. I think we shift at 105.6. It doesn't make much of a difference from our previous stop loss. Okay, we just shift 106. So, in case maybe during the earnings, some of you might get triggered. If CCI doesn't perform. Let me shift mine also. Okay, done. Hive. Guys on live stream, y'all got any stock to recommend or not? Maybe I can take a look and add it inside my watch list. Y'all looking at any good instruments? Hello, Rick. Oh, Microsoft stop loss 了啊 Eh, no ah. Huh? Oh, I typed wrong ah. Eh, what did I do? What did I do, guys? Hey, I typed wrong. Okay. Ayo, I need to readjust again. Okay, I will readjust Microsoft first. Oh, thank you, Rick. Thank you. Standard, huh? Standard thing. Okay, just now what I want to shift the stop loss for. Let me see again. Oh, FTNT. Okay. Wrong. Thank you for, how come it's not sending? Oh, okay, send already. Okay. Delete this. Okay, correct 了. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. This is always what happened to me lah. Whenever, I buy my own position, sometimes, I'm talking or what, then after I click the wrong button. I can tell you all one date to buy a put option, and then I myself I go and buy another date. Champion number one. Microsoft, but just now what was the price that I want to put? 506 no. Not Microsoft. I wanted to shift for FTNT. The 106 is for FTNT. Truancy. Nope. Wow, really no opportunity. Oh, this circle came down so much. Okay, possible more downside for circle. SMR. SMR. Okay, looks like trying to do a larger consolidation. Do you know Figma? What is Figma? Is it a ticker or what is that? Figma. Huh? What is this? Oh, it's a new stock, is it? Oh, going to IPO soon. Okay, okay. Is it good? Do you know anything about this? I think Rick, you are the best person, to ask already. You're in this industry. Yes, it's good, huh? Okay, okay, can. Figma. I can go and read about 16 billion valuation. It's not bad. Oh, the moment it listed is about 25 to $28. All the designer use this. Okay, okay, okay. So can compete with Adobe. Huh? What is this? Oh, I cannot read the news here. No wonder. I'll go and read another one. Yeah, they are going to IPO at about 25 to $28. Okay, I can do a little bit of research on this. And if it's good, Rick, you got a cash account or not? If you don't have for trading, usually IPO stock, no, can be a little bit tricky, but then you can try to trade. Oh, you have. Okay, okay, good, good, good. You can, if you believe in this company, I can try to buy some. Then same thing as always, what you see on live stream, right? After we get a huge spike, we get out. Don't wait anymore. Then usually you will start to see correcting. Then when it starts to correct, maybe when it dumps even lower, then we can try to do a long-term investment. I don't know whether you can read. You can read a little bit. Yes, correct, correct. Normally this type of stock, right? Even you need to, you need to be like the what's they call their wealth customer. Sometimes they have access, to all this. The moment market open, right, likely you will start to see it flying already, unless you're very, very fast. When is it going to IPO? Next Monday. Okay, it's a little bit similar to this stock. Just now I was scanning through. What stock is that? It's quite a popular stock recently. I forget the name now. I remember it's somewhere down here only. I just scanned through now. Oh, circles. Okay. Something like circles, You see, after IPO, right, you need to be quite fast. Then normally possible you get this move. And then after this move, right, just get out, guys. Get out. Don't hold anymore, okay? Nothing 5 years, 10 years, Okay, just a very, very short one. After they get out, wait for this. Okay, it will chop like that. Most of the time, you will see it starting to chop like that. If it chops like that, go below the IPO level, we start to look at it. Oh, last time Adobe wants to buy Figma for 20 billion, but end up they don't want. Oh, okay. Yeah, Roderick, I think you are the best person to ask already because you're in this line. Nice. Yeah, I think just now I also saw something like they talk about 20 billion. And once Adobe 20 billion acquisition target. But then there was some, antitrust concern in Europe and UK. Okay, not bad. I can go and do a bit research on this. Well, I have to write down somewhere though. If not, I will forget. Uh, where can I write? Oh, to watch Figma IPO. Okay, Rick, thanks for the recommendation. Maybe we can try, huh? Maybe we can try to take that trade. Yes, random. Nice or not? Huh? That 632 I have been talking since the start of the month until now. Finally, we missed by 50 cents only. We missed by 50 cents and it starts to go down a little bit. PFE can. What you want to know, Rick? Let me see. Pfizer. You draw slightly different. Let me see. Oh, okay. Potato, one moment. I come back to you shortly. Okay, Pfizer for now. Pfizer do looks like more upside though. Yep, it looks like more upside. But then 4 hours, I think this is the part we have to wait, okay? If you wait, give it maybe a few more days, it should be a lot clearer. Whether it will be up or down. Okay, very nice. Rick, very nice. I like, you guys are getting better and better, each day. I can see less and less questions coming in now. And your show, your charts is like, more less confused and more straight to the point already. It's good. Okay, Shark Ninja. Yes, Rick, I like the way you forecast for Shark Ninja. It's not bad. So that level, right, once it hit already, just wait for the consolidation. If you do get consolidation, maybe more upside. Okay, potato. What is this? IWM. Let me see. How do you view the wave structure? Okay, potato, I think what you draw on your chart is okay, it's perfectly fine. It's like a very small, three-way flat pattern. I think IWM will go up more than SPY for at least the next few weeks. Because IWM doesn't move a lot though. Even from the 7 April low all the way until here, it went up roughly about 30%. I think it's more than SPY, but then it's not back at this high, or even, this is the all-time high already. So it's not back at the all-time high, whereas SPY already broke the all-time high. Yeah, potato, what you draw is nice. Perfect. Random. No worries, bro. Random, you know, go at your own pace. Yes, potato is also a possibility. Yes, it's a possibility, but right now there's no confirmation. You just keep it in mind, right? It's either that breakout, if not possible, can be doing something that you just labeled. Good job, my friend. Yes, sometimes when it's not very clear, right, best to wait for the breakout. Okay, understood? It's not difficult, right? You already know more or less where it can go to, and then you just use the fib. Okay, you fib your A wave, you will know likely if it starts to come down, where can it go to already. You have a very, very good idea. Sometimes I also don't really understand what is it doing, so I give it maybe a few days to about 1-2 weeks later, then I come back and revisit again. It will be a lot clearer. Something like just now that sticker, a few weeks back, a lot of people keep asking me about Circle, right? Whether Circle is a good buy or not. So guys, the one that are in the course, all the students, you look at this. The moment you see this, you think it's a good buy. You can tell already, right? Yeah, so give it a little bit of time. That time when people start asking, I think maybe uh, from if I'm not wrong, I think $150 people ask, all the way until the all-time high, and then until here also people ask, here also people ask, and then here they also ask. So right now it becomes clear to you. You know, right? This one is like most likely there's a very, very high chance. Bye bye. So alert wave is powerful in this part. You know likely where it will go to. And then going to where, you just flip your A wave. That's like your minimum target already. So see, you guys are getting better already. Hazel also know this one bye-bye already. Okay, SBET. SBET. I think if you want to, can wait for consolidation first. If there's consolidation possible, maybe more upside. I need more consolidation here. Definitely more. Right now, I don't think it will be completed right now. I think there will still be some downside. So maybe you will see, crawling up a bit, and after one more leg down. That's like the bare minimum. Hazel, I like your attitude. Open volume. The volume to the upside or to the downside? Where you check the volume? You check on the hourly or daily, 4 hourly? Okay, 4 hourly volume is down. Okay, 4 hourly is very, very high. Oh, the whole Reddit is looking at open. Yeah, maybe it's a meme stock or what. But the moment you see the students look at this again, the first thing you can tell, okay, likely go for a short. You will make more money. Uh, wait, huh? Just now I saw. Oh, okay. That one is green emerald. Ask about open. Okay. Pine. Or should wait for a bit longer to pull back further. Hua. I I think there will be more downside. Quite possibly. Wait, let me see. Yeah, possibly a little bit more, maybe to around 13.15 around there. But then in between, right, you will definitely see, it starts to crawl up a little bit, a little bit before it starts to go down again. My advice is this stock, right, pine, huh? Oh, okay, yes. Oh, sorry, bro. Forgive me, my friend. Hood. Okay. Sorry, my friend. Sorry. Okay. Today I had a long day, huh? Forgive me. Okay. Hood. Okay, what you want to know is hood is some sort of retracement. Or should wait a bit longer to pull back further. Hey, y'all don't laugh at me, okay? You're angry, huh? Okay. Hood. I would definitely wait for a pullback. Okay, I will wait for a pullback. I will not jump in right now. And earnings is coming, huh? About 8 more days. 8 more days. So definitely no rush. Usually 1 week before earnings, there will be some telltale sign, huh? Whether it's going up or down. For right now, I will definitely wait for that pullback. It's me, huh? Every day, if I don't do mistake, huh? It's not Johnson anymore. Okay, no worries, brother. MRK, can. MRK, I think is still not ready though. That's why that time I exited everything. We took the break even for MRK. Wait for a little bit more, just a little bit more. Okay, give it another, I think 2 days, give it another 2 days or something. 1 day, 2 days to 3 days. I think it will become a little bit clearer. Yeah, don't because of one spike and then, you think that this one will shoot all the way up. Just wait. No, I'm just waiting for SPY or QQQ to give me that confirmation that we are going down. Then I will start to short quite aggressively already. But there's still, that sign is still not here. QQQ might be a little bit more obvious, I think. Guys, the market is very boring. Eh? You're not going to play Mobile Legend, ah? Okay. Okay, I go and get some water. I come back shortly, okay? You reading manga. Who reading manga? Give reading manga. What manga you reading? Any recommendation or not? Do you all watch Demon Slayer? Oh, it's damn good, you know? I like it. And the what, huh? There's another one. There's one more anime that is very good. I forget the name. But then we can go to this one. Solo Leveling. Yes, correct. Oh, yo, good. Damn good, okay? Guys, I don't know can recommend you guys or not, huh? But then if you want to watch free anime, can do a Google search, okay? Type this. It's free. Yes, Solo Leveling is super good. I think one of the best anime already. Yeah, lah. That's why I never say I type. Okay lah, guys. If I get banned, the most I go YouTube lor. Then you'll come to YouTube. Yes, I got no time lah. I got no time to go and think about all this. For me, right now I just want to focus on building the course. So I still got one last portion. I haven't do up the video. Yeah, last time so funny. Only the two of you come. I think after that got a few people come. Then after they left. Maybe now we'll get a bit better. Yeah, because Random and Rick, they are like almost the first batch that came to my live stream when I initially started though. Yeah, I remember my first 1 or 2 weeks, it was very bad that kind. Like extremely bad. Like I stream to 0 viewers, that kind. But that time I also like, I just live for 1 hour, then I go off already. But initially, I think the first week, those that come was I don't know lah. Everyone keep coming here, then they ask me what I buy lah, all that. But nowadays, I think starts to stop already. People here, I think they want to learn more of like learning rather than asking me what I buy or that. Yes, now not bad. Now not bad. Quite consistent. I think every day about 40 to 50 around there. Yeah, I'll just keep continuing like doing this, then slowly, go and recruit more people into the group. Then you all will also have more friends. Then we will have more, Hazel. Go and disrupt the group. Things can buy, you say can short. Things that can short, you say you tell everyone can buy. Then good trade. Okay, very good RR. Go and take the trade. Leverage 1:5. Confirm. Yeah, I also think so. Only got one of you. Hazel, you never join other group before? I think if you're in other group, you make the group very lively though. Have ah? Oh, okay. Oh yes. I remember now. Oh, how come? Too many people. Oh, okay. Then if my group get very big, will you also still talk? You must talk though. You must give everyone the false signals. Depends. Okay. uh, Rick, what thing wait for C to finish? What thing wait for C to finish? Hey, Chewy, Chewy, ah. Wow, Chewy, the way it's doing, I tell you, lightly more downside. Just wait for the trend line support. Just wait for this. Okay, right now, this trade doesn't give me a lot of confidence though. Yes, good, Rick. Very good. Very good. You start to be able to see now. Yeah, that's why a lot of times, you can see me sitting out all that. It's because I want to take quality setup. So I don't want to take something that I don't understand, Then I go and risk already. After that, I get in a while, I start to change my mind. Then after I get out, something a little bit like Netflix, that time when we took that Netflix trade. Oh yes, it was Netflix that I want to do a video about. I suddenly remember. Okay, I want to write down somewhere, okay? Yeah, remember these earnings for Netflix or not? Luckily, Potato tell me. Okay, I want to do a video for Netflix. Wait, let me write down somewhere. Yeah, right now Netflix, you also can tell, right, is going to be more downside. Okay, there's one zone that we can keep a lookout for. Somewhere here. Let me make it a little bit smaller. 4 hours. Yep, coming into that zone pretty soon. Yeah, Rick, I practiced this more than 10 years. More than 10 years. The previous mentor that taught me Elevate, right, that was like the second course that I attend. But the first course, I don't consider it as a course. That one is more like you just buy the video and then no support at all. Then they teach me how to read candlesticks, teach me how to do support and resistance, and more or less that's about it already. It's a very, very lame course. What it does is like something like, right here we know that this is like our support, right? So let me change this to green. And then we can find one more resistance, which is somewhere likely around here. Okay, this is like your resistance, so I change to red. It's a super duper lame course. Okay, whenever it comes to support, you just buy. Whenever it hits resistance, you sell. I after I attended that course, I blow my very first account within 1 month. So I don't consider that as a course. Then after that, I just, that time I was very, very new. Like, I just started learning. I get to know about, trading maybe less than 1 week. I go and buy that course. I didn't even do my research and everything. It was cheap. Okay, it was really, really cheap. I think about 500 USD. Yeah, so I just buy it. Then after he showed me all the, super good example, like maybe PNG. Is it PNG or not? The super choppy chart. Something like PNG somewhere around here. It's good though if you use that theory that he teach, something like that. So maybe this one we can shift down a little bit lower lah. So if you see you're in this range, right? If you're inside this range, when it hits resistance, you sell. When it hits support, you buy. You make money, You really make money. Then after that, over here also, you hit support, go up, hit resistance. You keep doing this or repeat the whole process. What's the most expensive course I paid for? It was about 5,000 plus USD, the one that I learned alert wave. Yeah, but the way he teach me alert wave, I can tell you whatever he teach me, right, I almost I only use maybe 20% of it, 10%, 20%. I have already modified the whole system into my own trading system. Yeah, and at that point of time, because he was very, very popular, so to get into his course, you need to take an entry test. So he tests you, the alert wave theory. He will send you, everybody, will go and attend his webinar. Then after he will flash like, something like you attend university, then got those, the questions coming out like that, on a webinar on Zoom. Then after that, there will be like, those options for you to choose. So you need to pass like maybe 75%. Then after that, because he also don't want to spend time, teaching you alert wave. Alert wave is a very complicated theory. So he don't want to spend time doing that. Then after you have to take his test. If you pass his test, right, then you can pay him that amount. But then because that time we need to use like telegraphic transfer or something. Wow, after I paid already, I still need to wait for 2 weeks before I go into the course. And after I go in there, I still need to wait like 1 month or something. Then after then he starts to do the webinar. But then because of different because of different time horizon, right? I remember I attended his lesson 2 a.m. In Singapore time until about 6 a.m. for about 4 days. Oh, I'm super tired, like really, really tired. Yes, haven't learned because when I started that time, right, about 12 years ago, Wave was the most popular trading strategy in the whole of TradingView. It was the most popular one. The top 3 traders, all of them are using Wave. But all of their styles are a little bit different. They do the labeling like this one wave 1, this one wave 2, this one wave 3, wave 4. And I can tell you every single day when I attend his webinar, the wave count always change. Then it's like waste of my time though. Then you keep changing the wave count. After that, then what's the point of I analyzing the chart? So after a while, because of my partner got kicked out. Then after that, I just left the group. I automatically left the group. Then that's when the 3 of us, we went to test out this strategy. Then we come out with the whole thing, the whole system. Yes, last time TradingView is very different, really, really different. It's something like a combination of maybe Facebook, like Facebook and TradingView, you have a combination. So you can add friends, you can chat. It's a community, something like Reddit also. Okay, BGL. Yeah, it's a social trading platform, okay? It's a social trading platform, not like right now. Right now, TradingView is a charting platform. Oh, okay. Ken, Rick, I will take a look. Okay, random, give me one moment, huh? BGL, I think maybe rebounding soon possible. Yeah, I think possible, but then I need to wait for that confirmation. Right now, no confirmation. So if definitely need another 2 days to 3 days, I think about 2-3 days. It's not the price, Braveheart. It's the structure, the wave structure. I want to see that structure first. No structure, I don't know where's the direction. So every time when you ask me to look at chart, I'm always using wave theory to help you to identify the direction. Yeah, maybe today what day? I think don't need Friday lah. Thursday, I think Thursday should be ready. Oh, okay. Random, one moment. What chart is this? Stack Industrial. Let me see, Stack Industrial. I don't think you draw wrong though. Random, I think it's good. Why is it so different? My chart and your chart. Oh, okay. I understand now. Can. Okay, this one I will go to the daily and take a look for you. Okay, random. What you draw over there? Good job. Fantastic, brother. Fantastic. But then look at daily. Daily, try to identify this, okay? If you can't see very well, go up to the weekly time frame. Go and identify this. There's a structure inside here. There's a huge structure. Okay, but what you are drawing over there, fantastic, random, good. Perfect. And then go and flip your A wave. See where your A wave go to. You flip your A wave, you know where your C wave will end already. Go and test that part. And not bad. This instrument, okay, this instrument, you trade it, right? I think you need to have a little bit of patience. Let me see. Okay, sometimes you need to have more patience in this instrument. Yeah, Brandon, this one is actually not bad. I like it though. I will keep it on my watch list. I will also set an alarm. Possible we can take a trade. Nice. Good job, brother. Oh, you type on TikTok? No use. Okay. Random, no worries. You can type in our Discord. I am deep shit with this stock. What stock is that? Wait, I see again. BGL. Okay, BGL. How come you in deep shit? What happened, my friend? How much you bought? Where do you buy? 25. Okay, just consider 26. 26, I think not far lah, not far lah. This one should be quite easy for it to go back. You just need that rebound only. I think 26 easily can hit lah. Easily. The way it moved, yeah, I think shouldn't be much of an issue. But how much upside, right? I can't tell you for now because I think with heart by now you already know lah. My style is that this type of stock I will have this forecast that it consolidate here for a long time. Of course, in between all this consolidation, you will see like those small spikes, something like it consolidate then spike, then after it starts to consolidate again, then spike, then consolidate again. Yeah. So you will definitely get this spike, but I don't know when it will come. Yeah, I think you can hold a bit. You are using a cash account. Definitely nothing to worry too much. Just wait for the spike to come. Fantastic, random, fantastic. Good job, brother. Nice analysis, very nice. Super nice, okay? Congratulations, my friend. Now you know where it can go to already, right? Yes, you are identifying 2 degrees of wave structures, which is amazing, my friend. Even the B wave, the red color B wave, you can go and try to identify the complex character structure inside. Today can sleep good, huh? Wow, random. This one is fantastic, really fantastic. It's perfect. I got nothing to say. Okay, your trend lines is perfect. Your trend lines is really perfect. I like how the way you put on that double trend line. Okay, then after that you still identify a wave structure with 2 degrees, and then if you were to identify the red color B wave, you will definitely see 3 degrees. Good job, okay? Very, very good job. Today can sleep in peace already. Hazel, want to roast him or not? Hey, really amazing. I like it. I also give you a like. Yeah, go step by step, guys. Starting, you can do 2 degrees. Then after that, go 3 degrees, 4 degrees, even 5 degrees. But I myself, right, unless I like that stock so much, I will go to 4th degree and 5th degree. But then if it's something that I'm not too confident, right, I don't even bother. The moment I see more than 3 degrees, skip. Yes. Yeah, guys, remember what random post over there, right? Even he analyzed on, like, I think this should be a daily time frame. Remember the structure, remember how it looks like, right? You will see them on 5 minutes, on 1 minute, on 1 hour, 4 hours. But then why I ask you to start on the higher time frame is because I want you to get used to looking at all these structure first. And when you are very used to it, you can drop down to 1 hours, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, you will also be able to spot them. Okay, how's the fear and greed index? Let me take a look. Where's my fear and greed index? Oi? Oh, here. Okay, let me refresh again. Okay, we are in greed. Yeah, recently this fear and greed index, it seems like not very accurate though. Okay, Nvidia dump all the way down after market open. Right now it looks like there's some sort of, retracement to the upside, but then yep, still no opportunity for me to take a trade. I think likely today I won't do anything. Today should be quite a slow day now. Okay, guys, today we can end the live stream earlier lah. Huh? You also can go and rest earlier. Want to play Mobile Legend? Go ahead. Okay, today we end at 12 a.m. Okay, so 5 more minutes to go. Yeah, you come here every single day. It's also tiring though. I'm tired. You stay here listening to me. Also, the same thing. It's very tired. Yes, very fun. Do you notice recently is like, the market open, it moves for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes and that's it. Totally no more strength. Then the whole night it just doesn't go anywhere. Until the next day, suddenly, pre-market starts to move a lot. And after that, no more momentum again. Yeah, so this is what happened. Market is also quite overheated. Then we just have to wait, huh? Just take quality setups. Yes, I'm also seeing. I look at the market like from open until now, it's not going anywhere. There's no direction at all. You need to recover your losses. Come and join me, Braveheart. You will learn a lot, okay? I'm up about 12% this month. You see, I don't risk a lot. Recently, all my trades are all day trades. I risk about 0.5%. But maybe last 1 or 2 weeks, I risk about 1% each trade. I'm still up about 12%. Not bad. And then you can start to take, very, very, very good trade. Yes, you won't understand here. Really, trust me, guys. Guys, to everyone that's on live stream, right? You all will not understand how wave theory works. Yeah, over here, right? You can listen to me how I forecast all that. But when I'm not here already, you look at the chart, you will be like, blur, where to start? But then when you come into the course, that's when you become independent. Independent, like some of the students here, they're only here for about 2 weeks. 2 weeks, they already send in super amazing charts. Really amazing that high. I got nothing to say. I got nothing to correct them already. Some of them, they finish the video. Some of them, like random. Okay, I random. I think I cannot review this one, but then he has not finished the course and he sends in a chart that I was shocked that kind because it's exactly how I will forecast, exactly how I will draw my trend lines. The moment I saw it, I'm scared. You won't. Okay, I will be here to give you a lot of support. Really, a lot of support. Some of them, like we even do Q&A lah from that time. I think 11 p.m. or something. We do all the way until 2+. But of course, that was also my first Q&A with them. I noticed, I talk a bit too much. So the next Q&A we can try to do before market open. If you want weekend, go ahead. We can do weekend as well. And if you are free during the daytime, right? You want to do daytime, I also can. Daytime, I'm quite free lah. I just allocate my work. Then after that, I have time for all the students ready. Don't worry, I will show you just they are so simple until something that is very complex. Oh, give also earn back school fees already. Nice. Oh, that's fast. Oh, you earn back very fast though. I remember the first time I joined someone's course. For me to earn back my school fee, I think I took about 6 months or something. Yeah, the knowledge you learn here, I believe, it won't be a waste. It will definitely help you a lot. Because I myself, whenever, I start a new venture or I want to learn something, I will always go and find a mentor. Even like right now, if you're in some group that, you think the mentor is amazing, you can recommend to me though. I will definitely go and take the course. Because I feel myself has been quite stagnant for a while. Because after learning Elewave, I go and look at a lot of things. I still think wave theory is the best. Because it gives you the ability to forecast. It tells you when more or less the market will top and bottom also. So you'll be more careful. What's wave theory? Okay, maybe my pronunciation or my English is not very good, okay? But then if you want, you can just go and type this on Google. It's called alert wave. Random also earn, wow, all of you earn back school fees. Okay, wait, guys. This one is very, very good though. Okay, let me just screenshot down. I want to, screenshot and later I can, post on my social media. I got 2 little things to post here. You have to post something. Let me screenshot this part. Not the comment all gone. Okay, I'm done. You earn back the school fees before even joining the course? Really? How you do that? Random, you earn back. Okay. Because you are actually inside for the free trial, is it? For the time I give you the free trial to come inside, right? I think you give me the idea lah. Then after I invite you in. So during that time you already started following my trades. Wow, not bad. You're also very, very daring. I thought maybe when you first come in, you test it out first or something, go and test on a demo account or what. Oh, nice. Okay lah, then now everything is free for you there. You still got, long ways to go lah. You still got very, very long. And then I believe if I, keep doing live stream, people will join. There'll be more and more people. Then after that, just give them your referral code. They get additional 6 months. You also, can hit your referral program target. Okay. Sometimes I also will take bad trades, but I'm not Okay, I will also take loss. Like today, you all did see me take loss, right? I took the Amazon shot and then I placed a stop loss that's too tight already. After I took a loss, if not Amazon, it becomes an amazing trade though. Where we shot right at the top here, but then because my stop loss is too small. Now sometimes I might be wrong. Picking the top and bottom is something that not very easy. Sometimes I will still be wrong. But as long as in the long run you are making money, good enough already. Hit 290. Okay, random. Yeah, this one too bad. This one too bad. Really too bad. My mistake, really, my mistake. I shouldn't have put such a small stop loss. Oh, but now you purely following me. Okay. Good to hear that. Thank you, random. Thank you. Yes, just take the loss. Just take the loss and move on. Because you need to know, as long as you know, right, every month you are consistent, you will grow really, really fast. That's something that I think a lot of people don't see it until you start to just, persevere and keep hanging on, keep doing what you are good at. And very soon, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years later, right, you will definitely see the result. Yes, stop loss is part and parcel of the game, correct? Okay, FTNT. Okay, we got out already. So that means we don't have position now. Empty already. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm also out there. I will update the group. We only left with what? 2 positions. Okay, TP there. TP. Okay, very, very small profit only. So nothing much. 105. Yeah, like putting a stop loss is always very, very good. Like what we are doing right now, we just keep shifting our stop loss, and then you go and look back at the trades that I took. Whenever I got stop out already, they're almost like the almost at the top. And then after that, it starts to pull back, and then when it pulls back, you prepare again. Yes, Rick, I always use a stop limit, always limit order. Because limit order, you'll get triggered outside of regular trading hours. Random. Can ask him as many questions as you want. Yeah, right now I'm still not very, very busy that type. Some of them they prefer to text me personally, then okay lah. I just if they ask anything that is super important, I think that will help the group a lot. I will definitely screenshot and send it in. No, random. When the group even someday when it gets bigger, I will stop lah. I will stop the enrollment for a while. Once I see the question starts to slow down again, okay, then open up again. And also the reason why I need to have more patience because some impulsive moves take a couple of months. Time took 1 month. Yeah, because I think Random came from a very large group, so he understand that. My previous mentor also got very large group. So we are just, like ants inside the group. When you type something, nobody reply you. Random. What do you mean by your last message in Discord. I don't quite understand though. Oh, for the stock, also a reason why I need to have more patience because some it take a couple of months, some took 1 month. Yes, okay. The impulsive move, right? The longest one is roughly about 6 months plus minus. Something that you can see on Spy. So if I go back to Spy and show you this part, some is really quick, 1 month, 2 months is the end already. But if you look at this part took quite long though. After the 2022 bear market, this impulse took about 5 months, around 5 months before it starts to correct. Yes, you need to have a little bit of patience because uh, sometimes when it move, right, it move a little bit slower, especially initially when it start moving. But after that, the momentum will start to pick up. Yeah, you can always look at the historical chart and look at how they move. All stocks has different characteristics. Yeah, what's the ticker again? Let me see. Yeah, you can see, right, random, like this area, the data is like not very clear that type, a lot of red and green candles. And then, but then if you were to go back a little, I just like saw something, you can see here, right, this stock initially very choppy, then out of a sudden, it just suddenly becomes super impulsive. Then same for here, so you see the downside, very choppy. Then out of a sudden, it just spiked down. It's like the characteristic of this stock, I guess. Yeah, this is also a little bit like that, chop around here, then out of a sudden, it just moves extremely fast. Then where else can we find? Yeah, after the area, it looks okay already. Not that bad anymore, especially like, this down move. It moved quite nicely, quite fast. Okay, guys, any more questions? Last 5 minutes, okay? After that, we will end the live stream and I will see you tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow. Braveheart. Braveheart, what you scared of? What you mean? What do you mean by you scared yourself? I think she left already. Today, like, not bad, huh? You take some good treats, Mr. Pong. Yeah. Oh, do they like bad? Sorry, my bad again, huh? You know, I read as today like not bad. Yes, Pong, I told the whole group already, just be careful, okay? Just be extremely careful. I do expect a large pullback. If not, market can dump quite a lot. Okay, random. Don't need to be scared, lah, I guess. It's not really that difficult, right? After you all start to learn, I see you all draw the chart, the random also didn't go through the course very fast. And then you can draw something that is so amazing. I don't think it's that difficult. The first time, the guy that taught me Wave, right, that one is difficult. Really, really difficult. Because he wants you to read the book. And the book, I read for I think 7 to 9 times. It's so extremely difficult to understand. I don't understand. What is all this wave structure, all that? Yeah, so that time I read about 7 to 9 times, fully read the book before I go and take his test. Because I really don't understand how wave structure develops. The book is so confusing. And then I think it's written by some maybe British guy or something, their English are super cheap. Mine is like Singlish, How wow, I almost want to give up. I'm more scared when I anyhow buy nonsense. Yes, that's why you have me over here, okay? If you, wants to buy something or that, you can ask me for the direction first. Random. Why you doubtful? You doubtful to pay at the previous cost? Okay. Dip for stocks or crypto? For stocks. Nico is for stocks. How you get the buy sell signal on your chart? I use Elliott wave theory. I will, if you attend, come and join my course. I will teach you, what are the buy and sell signals, how to identify where the market will likely go to. And then you will have a very good idea, right? Where the market will top and bottom, because I will give you a fib extension. I will teach you how to use the fib extension, and then there will be certain levels. The hit rate is very, very high. Okay, extremely high. It will be like the hit rate is about 90%. I tested so many trades about 90%. The moment it hits there, right, you will most of the time see some sort of reaction. Either it starts to correct, if not, it's a start of a new trend, like a change of direction. Yeah, if you want to know more, okay, you want to know more about the course, can drop me a WhatsApp text, and then I send you a file. You can go and take a look at it. Okay, got day trade, got swing trade, got position trades, plus long-term investment. Not skill future subsidized lah. I don't have that option. But then if you want, you want to withdraw the skill future credit or something, maybe I can recommend you a friend, You can go and try to talk to him. Skill future, I'm not too sure whether he do or not, but then I know CTC voucher he do. Yeah, I'm I run the whole thing by myself. But then I'm going to incorporate this as a company pretty soon. Yeah, but then right now, skill future, I don't have that option. Okay, ARW. Yeah, most importantly, you text me. I send you the file first. Because every single one that wants to come into the course, I want you to read that file. I want you to know exactly what you are signing up for. Because I don't want to over promise you anything. I rather under promise you and over deliver. Okay, ARW, huh? Looks like more upside. This one, I think one look you can tell already, right? I recently also just did a video for, I think HD, is it? Is it HD? I think we're also looking at something like that, a similar structure. Ah, yes, yes. Okay, this one looks good. It looks fantastic, that kind. Okay, random. Keep a lookout for this stock, okay? Maybe we can all take this trade together. Okay, notify us. Because it's breaking out soon though. Maybe I can set the alarm. Yeah, give. I think she never read, huh? She's so confident she just joined. Okay, random. Nice talk, nice talk. I like it, I like it. Marketing director. Okay, and Nico, if you want to join, right, do ask the students inside here. Ask them for their referral code, okay? But even if you didn't talk to them, no issue, no issues. I will just use, I randomly use one of their referral code and give it to you. Then your membership can be extended for additional 6 more months. I also want to help them to hit their referral program target. Random, huh? Random choosing, huh? No bias, okay? I will see who got more referral, all that I'll give to, the lowest one. Yeah, I'm very flexible. I don't really care where you find all these people online or my life also okay. I really don't care. If y'all can hit target, I'm happy for you. Okay, guys, time to go to bed, okay? Any more questions? If no more, we go to bed. And then some of you might want to go and play play Mobile Legend. Yes, Rick. Yeah, so this is also one thing that you can learn. Sometimes market does behave like that. Then sometimes pre-market, it move a lot. Then the moment market open, no movement already. So these are the things you also need to monitor in the market. And after that, you will know when to take trades better. Yes, rest early for me as well. Okay lah, guys, seems like no more questions already. We'll end the live stream, okay? I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye, guys. Good night. Stay safe. See you soon. Yesterday I also end at 12, right? 12. Yesterday my internet connection suddenly just crashed. Okay, I couldn't reset all the way until this morning. Not sure what happened. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Thank you all the students for coming every single day. Thank you so much. Okay. Good night. Stay safe. Bye bye.